Welcome to DeFi Starter, your go-to source for all things DeFi. Here, we'll be diving into the ins and outs of DeFi, from its principles and platforms to its use cases and future potential. Whether you're new to DeFi or an experienced enthusiast, we've got something for you. Are you ready to join the revolution in decentralized finance? So, join us as we unlock the power of decentralized finance and discover the limitless possibilities of DeFi. In this episode, we're diving deep into the exciting world of smart contracts and how they're revolutionizing the way we do business in the decentralized finance space. Imagine a world where contracts can be executed automatically without the need for intermediaries. That's exactly what smart contracts are, and they're changing the game in the DeFi world. Here, we're going to explore what smart contracts are, how they work, and the many ways they're being used in DeFi. So sit tight, because this is going to be a wild ride. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. It's like a digital version of a traditional contract, but with the added benefits of being transparent, fast, and highly secure. Imagine you want to buy a house. Instead of hiring a real estate agent, you could use a smart contract to execute the whole process, from making an offer to transferring the title. Smart contracts are built on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and secure digital ledger. This means that all the information recorded on the blockchain is public and tamper-proof. Smart contract platforms, like Ethereum, allow developers to create and deploy smart contracts on the blockchain. These contracts are then executed automatically when certain conditions are met. Let's say you want to buy a digital asset like cryptocurrency. You could use a smart contract to automatically transfer the funds and the asset once the conditions of the contract are met. The possibilities of smart contracts in the DeFi space are endless. They're being used for lending, borrowing, trading, and much more. For example, you could use a smart contract to lend your cryptocurrency to someone else and earn interest on it. This is what's known as decentralized lending. Another example is decentralized trading, where smart contracts are used to automatically execute trades based on preset conditions. The world of smart contracts is constantly evolving and new developments are emerging all the time. One of the most exciting areas is the use of privacy-enhancing technologies, which allow for greater protection of personal information in smart contract transactions. Scalability is another area where significant advancements are being made. With the increasing popularity of DeFi, the ability to handle larger numbers of transactions is becoming more important. Solutions such as Layer 2 scaling solutions and off-chain computations are being developed to address this. And it's not just in DeFi where smart contracts are making an impact. New use cases are emerging in fields such as supply chain management, digital identity, and more. One example of a project at the forefront of these advancements is Aztec Protocol, which uses zero-knowledge proofs to enable private transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Another example is Polygon, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which allows for faster and cheaper transactions. These cutting-edge developments in smart contracts are truly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and we can only imagine what the future holds for this exciting technology. Smart contracts are a game-changer in the DeFi space and have the potential to revolutionize the way we do business. They're transparent, fast, and highly secure, and are being used in a variety of ways in DeFi. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with smart contracts, and there's so much more to learn. We encourage you to continue your journey into this exciting world and discover how smart contracts can benefit you. There are many resources available online to help you get started, from online courses to forums and community groups. So go out there and start exploring the world of smart contracts and DeFi. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of DeFi. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you're excited to learn more about DeFi and stay up to date on all the latest developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.